Man, welcome to Big Daddy's Cooking Show. Guess what's on the agenda today? Chicken fajitas. That's right, chicken fajitas, folks. So I got my chicken breast that I'm split right here. I have my onion, green pepper, red bell pepper, yellow bell pepper, because I love the color. I have my favorite pain train salsa. Amazing product, folks. You gotta get yours. I have the tiki thunder and I have the creamy avocado. And last but not least, you better not forget that top Texas spice. So we're gonna get ready to put this together, okay, folks? Now I got my split chicken breast. I'm gonna season it with that top Texas spice. That's right, baby. And you wanna make sure you do both sides, okay? So right now I'm gonna get ready to put it in my skillet, my chicken breast that is. I already got my butter going right here. So I got 4 large breasts that I'm gonna actually use. And once my chicken breast is almost cooked, then I'm gonna add my vegetables to it. Now I just put all my vegetables in my skillet. And I always love to season my vegetables. And I'm gonna let them cook down a little bit. I already cut my chicken breast up. And it's almost done. So once I get my vegetables to cook down a little bit, then I'll add my chicken back with my vegetables. Then I'll turn my fire down and let it simmer a little bit more. And there it is, folks. That's the finished product. Chicken fajitas. Ooh! Ooh! And thank you for watching Big Daddy's Cooking Show. And make sure you get out and get a couple of these products. I like the cream avocado, I like the tiki thunder. You got a variety of flavors. But last but not least, beef stick.